So Thursday was the first day I took my son to school in the Mustang, and he was pumped. He was excited. I got the new stereo installed. We were jamming, and then I get about a mile away from his school, and I hear a pop. And he goes, "What's that noise?" I said, "The car just broke." He goes, "Well, I guess we better walk." So when I looked down, I noticed this was laying in the floor. It's the clutch cable. So today, I'm replacing the clutch cable on the Mustang while Randall is going to work some more on the wiring on the Conquest. Should be a fun and eventful day. A lot going on in the S&R garage 2. What? S&R garage 2?
Yeah, this is 2. My house is 3 because your house.
Well, would this be 1 now since 1 doesn't exist anymore?
1 will always be 1.
Oh, okay. S&R garage 1 was my brother's old garage.
Or, I mean, you could call it like
Ground Zero.
That too.
And we got a new friend with us today. He was here last summer, and he decided to pay us a visit again.
Hey, man.
Harold the horsefly.
Can go away.
I think he took a little bath in some coffee or something because he was hyped up earlier. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna get up underneath that thing. Randall's gonna get all up in this thing, and we're just gonna have us a party. So to do this here job, I'm gonna crawl under here, and right there where I'm shining my light, you gotta pry that. I don't really know which way yet, but you gotta pry that so you can get the cable off, and then you can pull it through the top. There's a better angle of it. Usually there's a cover right here, but the previous owner, I guess, neglected to put it on. Well, I guess he changed the clutch, which might have to be replaced again soon because the throw-up bearing is making some noise. Usually you can just slide them up, but for some reason this one doesn't really want to fit in there, so we're just going to see if we can take this nut off. Alright, now that that's out, the next step is get this clip off here, then you can pull it through. That you're going to need like it just pulls right out. Alright, let's move to the top. There's something there you gotta take out. A little bracket. Looks like a 10mm. So let's go check up on Randall. How's it going there, old Randall?
It's going.
Old Woozes.
You got any electrical tape?
A little bit. A chair. Okay, so I was wrong. The bracket down there, you can't really see it, but it requires an 8mm, not a 10. You might need a small extension on it, or a wrench. Yeah, maybe a small extension. Alright, so I got that bracket off. I'm just pulling this through. Oh. Now, it's got one of these. I didn't know it before, but it's got one of these fancy adjusters on it. There we go.
Oh, that looks special.
I didn't even have to get in the car. Alright, well that's out. Now I just gotta get a new one in. Ooh, that's looking good. Looking snazzy. Got the old wire loom on. Right there.
I need the tape.
I might have some more inside, but I doubt it. Alright, yeah, that's coming along quite well. So now I'm gonna put this BBK. They hand me the box and it looks like this. I'm just thinking like, what's missing out of it?
When they delivered it, I just launched it off. Here's your stuff.
I was expecting a sticker inside, but nah. Thought this was a little amusing. DeMarcus Crooks, not paid. 8/9/21. So, if your name is DeMarcus Crooks, I got your clutch cable.
You should have paid for it.
You should have paid for it. Alright, so when you get the old one off, you can climb up underneath. This door's gonna slam on me. Climb up underneath and put the new cable on your quadrant, which is located down here somewhere. I don't know if you can see. It's to the top of the clutch pedal, basically. Oh wait, it's all the way over there. Wait a minute. Why would they do that? Looks like usually they're plastic, but the previous owner put a metal one on. Oh wow. Oh wow.
What?
You should check out this throttle cable. There's about 4 or 5 zip ties on it.
Okay, cool.
This guy, like, how can one person destroy a car this bad? Anyway, I'm gonna try and get this on there. Alright, cable's in. Now, the real trick is to see if we have it adjusted right the first time instead of putting it back up on jack stands and adjusting it from there. Hopefully we don't have to, because I don't feel like doing that. And I'm sure Randall doesn't either. But I'm going to get it off the jack stand and see how it goes. But before that, have you done anything? You haven't done anything else to that.
That's as far as I've gone. It's gonna be time to start pulling it in, and I'm gonna need an extra set of hands for that. And kind of where do you want to put your ECU?
Look at that. The ECU probably go in the same spot. as the old factory one.
So it'll go over the tunnel.
Yeah.
And then through there.
Over the river and through the woods.
Okay. We might want to push it off the wall then, too.
Yeah.
But it's ready to go in the engine bay and start landing where it's going to land.
Oh, buddy. Another thing, too. This my $70 turbo. Sadly. Well, it feels fine now.
Send it.
Yeah, never mind. Forget I even started saying anything. But yeah, let's get this guy off the jack stand. Super huge shout out to my father-in-law for letting me borrow his Nissan hardbody while I got Johnny Cash. Oh yeah, I never told anybody. I've decided. Decided on a name for the new Edge, and since Johnny Cash was the man in black, everybody meet Johnny Cash.
They've already met him.
This is the first time I said anything about it.
But they've met him.
No, well, formally, Johnny Cash.
Is this a formal introduction?
Yeah, it was the formal.
Okay. Channel Johnny Cash.
Whoa! A little crammed in here, as you can see. I don't think I could drive one of these every day.
Need the VQ.
VQ. Yeah. It's a beast. Hey, served its purpose. I got rid of my old fridge.
I'm not knocking it.
This thing takes a licking and keeps on
sweet.
ticking. I can't drive that every day. My legs are up in my chest.
There's a lot of parts you can't drive.
All right, so let's see if this guy wants to cooperate. I wonder if it'll be easier to get in gear now. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. I don't lift myself out of the seat when I push the clutch in now.
How about you try starting it and moving it before you congratulate yourself? Loud.
I'm sure he didn't replace it when he replaced the clutch.
Why would you do that? That sounded good. That didn't sound good. Feels better? Still need to adjust it?
Do a burnout. Alright, not a super exciting video, but a very successful one. I'm able to drive my daily again. And we're, you know, moving forward with the wiring harness for the old CONQUEST. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. Good vibes all around. I don't know why I just said that.
I don't either.
But that's gonna wrap it up for today. I gotta play musical cars and all that good stuff, and yeah, that's it. We'll see you next time.
Bye, folks.
See ya. sandrmotoring.com. Buy some merch. It helps us.
Right now. Now.